in the event that you're searching for smooth love mixture cost expectations. Estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of smooth love elixir will go from now on, which truly is very critical. We will really examine the previous costs of smooth love elixir and will especially figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master, examiners, or so they thought. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unimaginable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Smooth love elixir pretty past value examination in an unobtrusive manner. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of truly smooth love mixture truly is $0 SLP especially is at present position number 234 in the kind of whole crypto biological system, which is very critical. The core supply of smooth love mixture sort of is 42,447,052,899 with a market cap of $107,528,719. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been diminished by 0.65% in its by and large current worth. Assuming we analyze the really current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap is likewise down. Smooth love mixture essentially is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, which is genuinely critical. The SLP is down to nearly 16.22% in the truly most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could sort of serious areas of strength for have in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource and transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP diminished by 24.132%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth in a significant manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a decent truly purchase and open door for extremely fast venture, which is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change is around 1.27%, and the cost flowed from a by and large least typical cost of $0 sort of greatest normal cost of $0 the fundamentally beyond 90 day, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. In most recent 4 months, smooth love elixir truly has shown a developing pattern. In this way, we imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, which is genuinely huge. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of smooth love mixture especially is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost. The coin sort of is up by 4.55% with the exceptionally greatest pretty typical cost of the coin generally was around $0. The base typical value of was around $0 beyond 4 months. We foresee future sort of smooth love mixture cost expectations. SLP conjecture by applying especially profound extremely computerized reasoning helps specialized investigation on the past value information of smooth love elixir. We give a valiant effort to sort of gather most extreme verifiable information for the SLP coin which incorporate various boundaries like exceptionally past costs, smooth love elixir market cap, smooth love mixture volume and essentially hardly any more. Assuming that you are looking to in every practical sense, put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and sort of need great profit from your speculations, make a point to especially peruse our forecasts, which is very critical. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2023 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the cost of especially smooth love mixture in every practical sense is basically anticipated to essentially reach at a really least degree of $0, or so they thought. The SLP cost can fundamentally arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2024 according to the gauge and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of extremely smooth love mixture is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, the in every way that really matters, normal worth of $0, or so they thought. SLP value conjecture for 2025 the cost of smooth love mixture is in every way that really matters, anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0 2025. The smooth love elixir cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the by and large normal exchanging cost of $0 through 2025. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2026 the cost of one smooth love elixir is supposed to reach at an especially least degree of 1 cent in 2026 in a significant manner. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 1 cent with the genuinely normal cost of 1 cent all through 2026, or so they thought. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Smooth Love Mixture truly is anticipated to reach at an especially least degree of 1 cent in 2027. The very Smooth Love Mixture cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 2 cents with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2027. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2028. Smooth Love Elixir cost is figured to arrive at a least most certainly conceivable degree of 2 cents in 2028. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 2 cents with the very normal figure cost of 2 cents. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2029. Smooth Love Mixture cost really is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 3 cents in 2029. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could by and large arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 4 cents with the typical estimate cost of 4 cents incredibly. Smooth Love Mixture Value Conjecture 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on genuinely past value information of SLP, in 2030 the cost of Smooth Love Elixir is estimated to be at around a base worth of 5 cents. The Smooth Love Mixture value worth can really arrive at a limit of 6 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 5 cents in USD. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2031 the cost of certainly Smooth Love Mixture especially is for the most part anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 8 cents in a significant manner. The SLP cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme degree of 9 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 8 cents. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Smooth Love Elixir is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach at the very least worth of 12 cents in 2032. The Smooth Love Mixture cost could arrive at a really most extreme worth of 14 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 12 cents all through 2032 in an unpretentious manner. Or so they thought. Is Smooth Love Elixir a wise venture, which is genuinely critical? Smooth Love Mixture's esteem is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general energize cost ascend in a significant way. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any interest in a really significant manner. Simply put resources into what you can basically achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the most extreme exploration conceivable. What generally is the fate of Smooth Love Elixir? The eventual fate of Smooth Love Mixture is profoundly subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. At the point when it for the most part comes to putting resources into SLP, you really want to basically ensure that you are utilizing the right system, which is very critical. This kind of venture isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. Notwithstanding, still a magnificent venture for those in a real sense have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, SLP likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing environment in an unpretentious manner. What in a real sense is the Smooth Love Mixture cost today, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Today Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $107,528,719. What will be the SLP most noteworthy figure cost